out of my head, it's no surprise I'm overthinking again. I thought I knew what I believed, but it changed again last week. I swear I try. I don't understand how you're always consistent, when honestly every day I'm feeling different. But when we're alone at my house, you're painting my nails on the couch. The only thing I'm thinking is I don't wanna ruin it. On Monday I knew what I wanted. It's Friday and I think I lost it. I want it to last forever, so I'm trying to get myself together. On Tuesday I thought we might end it. By Wednesday I knew I'd regret it, but I ain't giving up, not ever. I'm learning how to love you better. Thursday I got wrapped up in fiction. I can be a little unrealistic, but that's not real life. I've been daydreaming again. We look perfect in everyone's eyes, feeling love for the rest of our lives. We would never fight. Wouldn't that be nice? On Monday I knew what I wanted. It's Friday and I think I lost it. I want it to last forever, so I'm trying to get myself together. On Tuesday I thought we might end it. By Wednesday I knew I'd regret it, but I ain't giving up, not ever. I'm learning how to love you better. I don't understand how you're always consistent, when honestly every day I'm feeling different. Come over and offer to wash all my dishes, and tell me not to mention